Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 Mark III, and today I'll show you how to hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings, then scroll down to System, and under Advanced you'll find Reset options. Simply select Erase All Data Factory Reset, and then confirm it by tapping on Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, PIN, pattern, password, you will need to verify it right here. And then you can select Erase All Data. Now this will take probably a couple minutes to finish up, and once it has, you'll then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.